Do you want to make $30,000 in a month without much effort? Sounds cool, right? There are businesses out there earning thousands of dollars monthly on complete autopilot, and guess what? You can start similar businesses for free and make over $370 a day in passive income. No need to invest any money or have any special skills. Intrigued? Let's dive in and see how you can get started today. Step 1. Set up your Etsy store. Sign up. First, head over to Etsy.com. Click Sign In at the top right, then register to create a new account using your email. Follow the prompts to set up your account. It's quick and easy. Create your shop. Once you're signed in, click on Sell on Etsy at the top right. Then click Open your Etsy shop. This will start the setup process for your very own shop. Choose Preferences. You'll be asked to select your shop preferences. This includes your shop language, the country you're based in, and your preferred currency. These choices help tailor your shop to your specific needs. Name your shop. Now for the fun part. Think of a unique and catchy name for your shop. Make sure it reflects the products you'll be selling. Your shop name's important because it's the first thing customers will notice. Stock your shop. Start adding your products. Click on Add a Listing and upload clear, high-quality photos of your items. Write detailed descriptions and set your prices. Make sure to highlight the key features and benefits of each product to attract buyers. Set up payment. Next, decide how you want to get paid. Etsy offers several payment options, including direct deposit to your bank account and PayPal. Choose the option that works best for you and enter your payment details. Open your shop. Before you go live, review all your information to make sure everything looks good. Double-check your listings, shop name, and payment settings. Once you're satisfied, click Open your shop to go live. Step 2. Create a Printify account. First, you have to sign up. Go to Printify.com and click Sign Up in the top right corner. Then create your account. Enter your email and choose a password. You can also sign up using Google or Facebook. Next, set up your store. Once logged in, click My Stores, and then Add New Store. Select Etsy from the list and follow the prompts to connect your Etsy shop. Then, explore the catalogs. Browse Printify's product catalog and start designing. Step 3. Design your products. One of the coolest things in designing your products is when you are only using free AI image generators. You can make cool pictures without being an artist. Give that responsibility to AI like GenCraft and Leonardo.ai. They are like magic, creating images when you tell them what to do. Want a cactus painted like watercolors? Just ask. These images can customize our mugs and make them special. Among these tools, Leonardo.ai stands out. It is an innovative platform offering AI-powered image generation and editing tools. It simplifies the process of creating high-quality images by using advanced artificial intelligence algorithms. Users can input simple prompts or descriptions, and the AI generates realistic and high-resolution images accordingly. The platform also offers basic image editing tools for further customization and enhancement. Leonardo.ai serves as a source of creative inspiration, sparking ideas and enabling experimentation for artists, designers, and creators. Its user-friendly interface ensures ease of use, while community features such as forums and galleries foster collaboration and sharing among users. For those looking to explore new visual concepts or streamline their creative process, Leonardo.ai offers a valuable and accessible solution. Next, we need to upload and edit images. Once you've got your images, head to Canva.com. It's like a digital art studio. Upload your pictures there. Then, let your creativity flow. Make your designs look super cool. If there's a background you don't like, no worries. You can get rid of it. Finally, download your finished pictures. They're ready for your awesome mugs. Step 4. Upload designs to Printify. Now, it's time to put your designs onto actual products. Printify makes it super easy. First, pick what you want to make from their list, maybe a cool mug or a funky t-shirt. Once you've decided, it's time to get creative. Remember those awesome images you made with GenCraft and Leonardo.ai? Now's the time to use them. Upload your images to Printify's website and place them on your chosen product. You can move things around until it looks just right. But wait, there's more. Before you finalize anything, take a peek at how it will turn out. Printify lets you preview your design on the product. This way, you can see if it looks as awesome in real life as it did in your head. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and save it to your Printify account. Step 5. List and sell on Etsy. List your awesome new designs in your Etsy shop. When someone buys one, Printify takes care of the rest. They'll print your design onto the product and ship it straight to your customer. You don't need a fancy store or ads. Printify does all the work. So you can relax while your customers enjoy their new goodies. Starting a business and making money online doesn't have to be hard, especially when it doesn't cost you a penny. Yep, you heard that right. You can start your own online business for free without needing to invest any money up front. And here's another thing, it's super simple to get started. Now, let's take a look at the proof of concept. Take Strictly Business mugs, for example. They sell mugs with inspiring quotes on them, and people just love them. On average, they sell each mug for $16.25. Can you guess how many mugs they've sold so far? Over 48,600. It's a lot of mugs, right? And guess how much money they've made from all those sales? A whopping $700,000. Can you believe it? All from selling mugs with cool quotes. Then there's the 22nd of October shop. They sell hoodies and t-shirts with awesome designs, and people can't get enough of them. Their hoodies and shirts are priced between $25 and $30. And guess what? They've sold over 4,900 of them. That's a ton of clothes. And how much money have they made? Over $1 million. Yep, you read that right. Over $1 million from selling clothes online. So what's the secret to their success? Well, it's simple, really. They started their businesses on platforms like Etsy, where they can reach millions of customers without having to spend a dime on advertising. Plus, they use services like Printify to handle printing and shipping, so they don't need to worry about anything. So, if you've been thinking about starting your own online business but didn't know where to begin, now you do. Just follow in the footsteps of Strictly Business mugs and 22nd of October. Start selling your own awesome products online today, and who knows, you could be the next success story. But before we proceed, it's time to gather your thoughts through this question. Ready to start your own passive income journey? What kind of designs would you create for your Etsy shop? Comment below with your ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. This is Profitability Plus, helping you maximize your earnings.